There's Bo.
Lilly, come here. Come here, Lilly.
Fury.
Lilly. Come here. Guys, be quiet.
And they're my kittens. They're
Be
babies.
quiet, okay?
Little babies. Subscribe this video. You can see more.
Kyle,
These
we're
are
gonna
the
be doing
kittens.
the what's it called? Like a rap battle. I still can't rapping, so. Okay, it's my first
Cute,
time,
huh?
so.
Oh, look at them. What a good mommy. Okay, now we're going to go on to cat reactions. This one bites bad. Excuse me. How do you get on YouTube? Yes, that's it. Yes, that's it. Well, you don't do it anymore. Ow, ow, mommy. Ow, mommy. I mean, this is a boy. You can get up now. Okay, sit right there. My little kitten. Tired. It loves me. This is my sister's kitten. He's chilling like a villain. This one's scared because he doesn't like getting moved. So, my name is Lilly Morales, and this is about the kittens that react. So, if you guys want to watch more videos, go to CoolKids/Lilly Morales, and you'll find this video. And at the first part, when it says like a blue person, click it, because those are all my videos. So, I'll see you later. Bye, subscribe.